Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to instantly clear the Scratch Disks Full error in Adobe Photoshop on Windows 11. This error locks you out when Photoshop runs out of temporary virtual storage space on your primary hard drive. If the error is currently blocking you from opening the app at all, press and hold Ctrl and Alt on your keyboard, and instantly double-click your Photoshop app icon while holding those keys down. A hidden bypass menu titled Scratch Disk Preferences will instantly pop up before the software initializes. You will see your primary C drive listed in row 1 with a check mark explicitly filled in the box under the Active column. To activate additional processing storage space, look at row 2 for your D drive. Click the empty checkbox directly under the Active column for row 2 to turn on your secondary drive allocation. Now, look to the far right side of the window where you will see two vertical arrow buttons pointing up and down next to the table layout. Click on row 2 to highlight your D drive, then click the up arrow icon on the right side to move your D drive to position number 1. This forces Photoshop to prioritize your secondary partition as the main temporary memory engine instead of crowding your C drive. Click OK. If you are already inside the app interface and hit the error while editing, click the Edit menu at the top left. Hover over Purge near the bottom and click All from the side menu. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.